much easier.
Right. So I got a question from an SEO perspective. With
Mm-hmm.
SEO driving a lot of business for you, are you building out your assets in a new market prior to you getting there, or you get there in that new market and then you start doing link building and content for that specific market? What's your approach there?
We try a little bit beforehand, but not a terrible amount.
Okay.
Because we had one, it's actually recent, we did one where we had kind of planned on a certain city,
Yep.
and we did a bunch of build out to get there. And then COVID happened, and it kind of, it wound up not really hurting the junk business, I think, like people thought. But in the when it was happening, we kind of put a lot of things on hold. We stopped a lot, and we changed directions with certain things. So the person that was going to go out there, the assets that were going to go out there, kind of reverted to somewhere else. And so then I put all this money and work into SEO for a city that now we're not going to. But I found reliable people out there that'll do the work. So if we get calls, we just try and give it to the people that can do it.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah.
Nice.
So no, we don't do long-term build outs.
Got it. So testing.
But, yeah, exactly.
Cool.